Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make your Cash App background pink. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App on your phone. By default, Cash App offers only light and dark themes that adjust based on your phone's system settings. However, to unlock the pink theme, you need to order the pink Cash Card. To get started, tap on the Cash Card icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Get Free Cash Card. From the available options, choose the pink Cash Card. You will see a message stating Matching App Theme Available, meaning once you receive and activate the pink Cash Card, you can enable the pink theme in the app. Follow the steps to order your pink Cash Card. Keep in mind that there is a $5 fee for this card. Once your card arrives, activate it through the Cash Card section in the app. Now, tap the profile icon at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down and look for the theme or appearance option. If you do not see it, check under personalization. Select the pink theme, and the app will automatically apply the pink background. If the option is unavailable, update Cash App in your App Store and try again. So that's basically how you can make your Cash App background pink. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.